What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're talking about how to solve inequalities. And so an inequality, these look just like equations, but instead of equal signs, we have inequality symbols. And so when you solve these, you solve them literally like equations. There is one difference, so please wait until the end of the video to see what that difference is. If it's going to help you, rewrite it with an equal sign, if that's going to help you. Otherwise, just do what you normally do. Draw out your line. Well, it's 3x plus 2, so I need to do minus 2 from each side to make the 2 go away. So now this says 3x is less than 8 minus 2 is 6. And so that's 3x. I want to know what 1x is, so I divide each side by 3. So x is less than 2. So that means to solve this, it would be any number less than 2. So my brain goes, well, what about 1? If I plugged in 1 to check this, 3 times 1 plus 2 is less than 8. Well, 3 times 1 is 3. So this says 3 plus 2 is less than 8, and 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is less than 8. That's true, so I'm right. So as you see, literally did the same thing you would do with an equation. It just has an inequality symbol instead. So here's where the difference comes in, and it only comes in when you're dealing with a negative. Okay, so this is only when you multiply or divide by a negative. Okay, so anytime you do these, solve it just like normal. And then at the end, because it's an inequality, ask yourself, did I multiply by a negative? Did I divide by a negative? If so, you need to do this one trick. So let me show you. So I would start out by dividing each side by negative 4. That cancels out. So now I have x is greater than or equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3, and a positive and negative makes negative. So that means to make this true, x needs to be greater than or equal to negative 3. So let's try it out, right? Let's check it. I'll do this in this reddish color. So negative 4. I'm going to pick a number bigger than negative 3, so let's just do 1, right? That's always easy. So that would say negative 4 times 1 is greater than or equal to 12. Well, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, and well, that is not true. So anytime you multiply or divide by negative, you need to flip the symbol. So because I multiplied, or actually I divided by a negative here, I need to switch my symbol. It is now facing the other way. So that is the last trick. When you multiply or divide by a negative, just make your symbol face the other direction.